me tell you a story about a man I used to be, before the silence got so loud. There was a time this place felt alive. Screen door slamming, kids running wild, or in the kitchen humming low. Sunday morning on the radio, coffee would brew before the sun came up. Boots by the door, dust on my truck. I swore right then I had it all. Didn't know how fast it falls. Now there's a chair where she used to sit, still got her sweater hanging on it. I ain't moved it, guess I won't. Some things a man just learns to hold. These dishes stacked where I let them be. Half-drank bottle keeping me company. I tell myself I'm doing fine, but I ain't slept right in some time. This house don't sound the same no more. Ain't no laughter through these doors, just echoes off the walls at night, and memories I can't make right. I walk these floors like I'm alone, even when I ain't at home. Funny how a man can stay, but everything he loves just walks away. There's a picture frame turned face down. I don't need to see it now. That was us on a better day, back before it slipped away. I play it back in my head sometimes, where I crossed that invisible line. Was it one word? Was it one bad night, or just a slow fade out of sight? I ain't saying I was blameless then, but I give anything to try again. Funny how you don't see loss till you're standing where it calls. This house don't sound the same no more. Ain't no reason for that door to open up and end the day like it did when she would stay. Now it's just me and what I've done, and the man I've become. Yeah, I'm still here, but it's plain to see that house ain't what it used to be. Funny thing about losing everything, it don't happen all at once.